Hello, welcome to Simple Daily Recipes. Today for evening snack, I made cheese bread with tomato soup. For the tomato soup, I used 4 tomatoes, 2 pieces of carrot, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic, 2 green chili, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. I cooked all the ingredients in pressure cooker or you can use any pan. After letting them cool down, I removed the tomato peels, blend the mixture, and made a smooth paste. Cook the tomato puree in a pan. Adjust the consistency by adding water. Add 2 tablespoons butter, black pepper, salt. Once the desired consistency was achieved, I brought the puree to a boil, and just like that, the soup was ready. For the cheese bread, I used a loaf of bread, chili flakes, cheese, coriander, butter. I mixed butter, red chili flakes, coriander, cheese together. While I used bread loaf, you can use any type of bread you prefer. Spread the cheese mixture over the bread slices. Place them on a baking tray. Preheated the oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. The bread was ready to serve with the soup. Cheese bread is ready to serve with tomato soup. Thank you.